I'm finna show you how. First, I just go to MeChat Universe. So this is the school that we're building so that everyone can start learning for free. So what if you could write down your vision and come back every day and build on it piece by piece until it becomes something real? So I built a SaaS that helps you organize your business vision. It's basically what if you could write down your vision, then like come back each day and have like, or whenever you have the time and actually build on your vision piece by piece until it becomes something real. So imagine in the sixth grade being able to log into to MeChat Universe and write down what your childhood vision is, and your whole life you able to just keep adding to that vision, adding pieces to that vision till it becomes real. Don't you think by the time you graduate, you would have something that you would definitely be able to, make a living from or like enjoy doing for work? So that's what MeChat Universe is, the way to develop your visions and goals over time. I'm gonna go ahead and log in. If this is your first time, then you gotta click the blue button to sign up. And it's free. You can sign up free or you can pay for other stuff if you want to, but you can learn start for free. But I'm gonna just log in. In this video, I'm going to explain to you again how to develop, your visions and goals. So I'm going to show you that this is the inside of MeChat Universe. So as you see, it's a lot of things that you can do in here, a lot of little buttons you can play with. These not going to be active until the school year starts. So the whole platform itself, as you see, I got all these buttons. Yours won't come with all these buttons right now because some of these things only come with if you have membership. If you don't have a membership, you won't have a lot of these buttons, but you will have the writing lab. So for free, you can create your vision plan. So you create your vision plan, and from that, our AI will actually create a vision summary, and that's what people use to be able to know if they want to join your vision or not. So this is the writing lab. This is what everyone will get for free. And over here, you see you got different templates. Everybody will get the vision plan for free, but if you want to, like as you see, I got like different sections in here, different departments. Well, guess what? There's some over here that will match this. So marketing plan, see, there's a marketing plan. So I can put this little amount here because when I do my summary, everybody don't want to like this is a one-page business plan. I can print this out and take this to the bank. Everybody is not going to want to see your, long summary, long-winded explanation on why this works. So therefore, you need a separate place where you can actually break down your vision more in more detail. So you get different templates that you can, and you just add the templates and you can be able to work on these in more detail. So if you want to break down the vision plan in more detail, then you can come over here. So back to the plan. So how do we develop the vision and our goals using this? Basically, here inside MeChat Universe, you have the writing lab. Like I said, for free. The writing lab is where you actually write down and organize your business. So you have a few ways to organize your business. Of course, you can write it down here. Push the edit button, you'll be able to write, or you can organize it in a few ways, which is again, we already talked about the templates is one way. The tournament is a second way. So this is the tournament bar. It's your roadmap to success. Once we get closer to the start of the school year, you'll be able to click this button and join the tournament. Now, also the software will, like I say, the third way is manage agencies. And how this works, this is your default business. So this is the business I signed up with. This is one whole vision. So everything on this page, all of these buttons is working towards making this vision happen, this one vision happen to make this. But in your bigger picture, you have smaller goals, you like different ideas to create that vision. So I need all of these. I need these 7 agencies to create this one vision, which we call a biome. So to create my biome, I need all of these ideas to make my vision come true. Of course, your vision will have different goals than mine, but these are my milestones and objectives. So now I get to separate all of my ideas in my head, all of my notes, all of my thousands of documents that spread across hundreds of hard drives. Well, all of that gets organized here. put it all in here. So let's create one. So let's say I want to add a restaurant to MeChat Universe, which, as you see, has nothing to do with anything that I'm doing right now. Also, we give you all that. So it's like a lot of stuff you get with the software too. But anyway, so I want to create this agency in this biome because this is a separate idea that I just made. I want to create a MeChat Universe restaurant one day. Maybe in 24 years or something, I'm like, okay, I want to create a restaurant for MeChat Universe. So I'm gonna create this agency. Now, what it's gonna do is, as you see, I created it, but it didn't change anything. Still in MeChat Universe, still say executive summary, the future of business school. To go to the agency, now I have to click go to agency. As you see, it's going to restart the writing lab. And now what do I have? My restaurant idea. And what comes down here is a new set of templates and it's fresh, it's brand new. So if I click edit, and you see all that placeholder text goes away and I can start, I can start a new restaurant. I'm not a restaurant owner, so I'm not even gonna try to write down all that other though. So I'm not a new. I can start a new restaurant. So it say restaurant. Just know y'all. It say restaurant. So I can start a new restaurant. I'm not in the restaurant business, so I don't know how to spell it. I can start a new restaurant. Vision now. Okay. So I can start a new restaurant. Oh, wrong one. I'm gonna say this is my vision. Now I'm gonna save it. So as you see now, I can start me a whole new restaurant idea, and it doesn't affect any other idea that I got going on. And that's how MeChat Universe works. Is it allows you to organize all of your ideas and goals into a system where you can easily work on them separately. Save your ideas, keep them organized, and of course, once a year, come together with everybody else that's in the universe for a business plan competition based on the vision that you have. If you want to be able to organize your ideas, of course, you just come here to MeChat Universe and you can start your vision plan for free. So we're not charging for you to be able to come on and do what I just showed you. Everyone can do that for free. Everyone can start their vision for free and they can learn as they want to go or add classes as they want to build them.